Hi guys, Nirvansh here. Today I'm gonna show you last week temple trip. Do you like my silly face? Welcome to Nenu Nachini Prapancham. Last week we went to Ganesh Temple. Here I am, sitting in my car seat with my favorite blanket. It was 4 hour long journey. Look, I'm playing peekaboo with my mom. Peekaboo. We're here.
No, we are not here yet.
Look at my sister. She's already napping. After some time, we stopped at the rest area. I need to stretch my body.
Yeah, well, whatever, do it. I'm gonna take a quick nap.
I wanted to stretch my body. My daddy helped me to get on the car. Look, there's lot of water. Do you see rabbit over there? I wanted to pet the rabbit. But my mom said we can't. We had our breakfast, even we took some photos. And off we go again. It was raining outside, but we was all cozy in the car. My mom never allowed us too much mobiles on the trip. So we got bored after some time. I asked my mom to play songs for me. After a very long car journey, we finally reached the temple. I liked the temple so much. But before we went inside, we had to wash our feet. Yay! And go inside. We have to be quiet in the temple. We can ask God for anything. I asked yummy food and health. Food is ready. Look at my boat too. Do you like it? I like all the things in here. Akka showed me map of India. And also we have laddu prasadam. It was so tasty. I liked it. Can I have more? I asked for more laddu. Do you all like laddu too? We had to wait for some time because it was raining outside. Rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Nubu wants to go. Rain, go away. Didn't want the rain had stopped. We had lunch. Finally, it was time to back home. I was so tired, but I had so much fun. Thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow.